Yes!
Oh dear.
Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Run.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Wait, the car's coming. Cars are coming. Oh! Sorry.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
For 11 a.m. Subject to availability, participating restaurants only.
Waking up early, capital breakfast. I do want to ask a question because we've asked this one before.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, last night. I got so excited, I was too enthusiastic. If you're not laughing, well, you laughed a little bit.
Help and support. You can catch The Grass Is Always Grinder on the 56 Dean Street official YouTube channel. And James's book is called Something for the Weekend. I'd really recommend checking both of those things out, they're both really interesting.
Hello there.
Thank you very much for listening, and please subscribe.
We're some. Oh my God! Wow!
Hopefully, a few months down the line, when the fever pitch has died back a bit. Fucking hell. Huh?
Great brand.
Why are you running? Why are you running?